See, unimplemented data memory location read as 0. Star means not a physical register. So in these memory location, whichever they told 512, in that 512 in 512 368 are workable. We can use them to store data and other stuff. Others are just empty. If you try to store something there, it won't work. Right now, they are not unimplemented memory location. If you try to store there something or try to read from there, you will get 0 only. You cannot access those memory location. Whatever the memory location, data memory that we are discussing is usable memory location in this 512 bytes. Clear? Usables are only those some 368 that they are saying right now, only that. But that from this what we come to know, 368 bytes are not sequentially arranged. They are not, what we can say is, they are not a memory location, they are continuous. Okay. These 368 bytes are scattered from 0 to 512 bytes. Somewhere they are sequential, somewhere there is a discontinuity, and then we have again another bank of register, usable register. So if that is the case, we should also know this particular what we have to know the data memory map also, which we can use, where we cannot use, like that, right? So from this, let us count whether we get the 360 memory location that we are getting. This is a data memory now, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So up to 1F, it is continuous right now. From 20X to 7F it goes. But here they don't have any unimplemented registers. Totally we get 128 continuous, right? Agree? So let us put that. First is continuous, right? In the second one, we have from 80 to FF right now. In that, here 2 bytes, 2 plus 3, 5, 7, 7, right? We subtract 7 from 128, 121, right now? 121. So we got 249. Then from 100 to 17F. So this is another 128. In that 128, if we subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 124. 376, 73. So from this, what we come to know, here itself we have some unimplemented registers are there. From what I am thinking is accesses 70 to 7F are not available, I believe. They said F not FFF, F not FF. What it means actually? Can we use them, or we cannot use them like that right now? So if that is the case, if we are unable to use this memory location from F0 to FF, means it is 15 memory location. Totally we get 45 memory location, right? If we subtract 45, 128 plus this is one, we calculated 121, no? 121, further we subtract 15 from that, 121 to 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22. 22 means 180 minus 22, 128 minus 22, 1, 1, 0, 1, 106 plus 106 plus. So again we have 15 memory location. Here we have big gap, na? Register file map. Register file map. Okay. So here from 110 to 120 we cannot use. What is this?
But that is for
But
another
here we have accesses. I think here we made mistake, I believe. So here it is correct only. So accesses mean, are we seeing a right page?
No answer. The first one is right.
This one is right. Is this right?
Yeah, it's answer. The first one.
1 minute. I think we are doing something wrong. That I understood. Okay, here. Yes, sorry. So 106 we come. Then we have here in this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 plus 15, 19. If we subtract 19 from 128, we will get 107. $341 and then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. When we subtract 21 from 128, 21 from 128 means again 107. 21 from 128. 128, 21, 107. But it will again cross 400, I believe. Right? Then where is the gap? These registers are not implemented in, these registers are reserved. Maintain these registers clear. Okay. But it misleads. It is not coming 368 byte. Register file can be accessed either directly or indirectly through file select register. General purpose register files. General purpose register files. Okay. Data memory is partitioned into multiple banks which contains a general purpose register and a special function register. Each bank extends up to 7 up to 128 bytes. Lower locations of each banks are reserved for special function register. Oh, lower location of each banks is reserved for special function register. Above special function register, general purpose register implemented as a static RAM. All implemented bank contain a special function register. Some frequently used special function register from one bank may be mirrored in other bank for core reduction and quick access. Okay. So as they are mirrored, we cannot call them duplicates. So the same memory location is actually it is one memory location only. See, if you want to access, this is timer NOT right now. Here also we have timer NOT. Here also timer NOT. So if you access memory location 101, you are accessing timer NOT. If you access memory location 1, you are accessing timer NOT. So from this, these two address represent only one memory location. So like that we have to say. So if you, the meaning is, if you count a memory location or a memory byte for timer NOT means you should not count this 101 again. We are counting it multiple time now. The status register can be accessing memory location 3, 83, 103, 183. If that is the case, these register, these memory locations should be computed only one time. They are considered as 1 byte. Physically, they have only one address, one location to store it in RAM, but they are accessed via multiple addresses. Do you understand what I mean to say? Yes or no? See, RAM has only 360 byte. Data memory has only 360 byte. But the 360 byte are accessed via each bank as having 128 memory location right now. See, in those 360 byte, if I use the memory address, data memory address 1, in those 360 byte, one memory location only accessed. Even when I use 101, I access the same memory location, same location in the RAM. If I use the 81, that is for option register, that is one memory location in the RAM, but it is accessed via two different addresses, 81 and 181. Then PCL, program counter low, that is can be accessed via 282, 102, 182. So if that is the case, automatically number of memory location that we have in the RAM may reduce. If we do a very peaceful calculation, we may get that one right now. Can any one of you do that and let us know whether it is coming 368 exactly? I can share this data sheet. You can get it in online, right? What we have to do is we have to count entire timer, not one memory location. It can have different address, forget about it. Like that you count. Whatever we have here reserved, you ignore them. You no need to count them, right? And then other memory location, the total RAM data memory should come to 368 byte. If we get that, we are, I think the document is in line with actual explanation, right? Come on. Who can do that?
Yes, sir, I will try. Okay, okay, sir, I'll try.
Both of you do it. If you don't do
Yeah.
it, we will discuss that in next week. again, like maybe by that time, let me come up with statistics, some statistics, like based on this particular page, because these were very key things for us to know when we do embedded programming. If we don't know these things, if we go in a gray understanding, we cannot achieve it anything at the end. Okay, now let me do that homework and revert back.